What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘰𝘮, and I truly appreciate you guys for being here with me. So in my previous video, look at it over here, where I talked about DBXen. DBXen is a new awesome protocol that allows you to get DBXen tokens every single time that you burn the Xen token itself or the Xen Crypto itself. This token goes to a 24-hour cycle where you compete with other people that are also burning Xen tokens, and whoever has the most amount of Xen burned for that day gets the most amount of DBXen tokens. And the amount that you get is proportional to your place in the line of how much Xen that you burnt. Watch the previous video if it's kind of confusing, okay? So what I'm going to do today is do an example of how to burn your Xen to get DBXen for Ethereum. It's been on many networks for a while now. It came out on Matic, it came out on Avalanche, other places like that. But now it is available finally for the Ethereum network. So right now we are on DBXen right now. Just to make sure that you're in the right location, what you could do is come down here at the bottom left. You can click this. This is the ERC20 token. So click on that. And this is the Etherscan address or the contract address of the DBXen on Ethereum. Okay. So what you first have to do is that you have to have Xen in your wallet in order to get DBXen. So I look up here, I get into my MetaMask, and right now I have 8.2 million Xen. I'm able to have as many batches as I want. That's in relation to how much Xen I have. So for every 2.5 million Xen, I'm able to get one batch. Okay, so as you can see, I have, 8 point something million Xen. So what I could do, I could try to do 3 batches. So the amount of Xen that is going to be burned is 7.5 million Xen. Yeah, I have this 3 million Xen right here that I'm going to burn, right? So you go out here, I put the 3 million in. I can do the maximum amount, but that's not possible because I don't have 25 trillion Xen to burn. That's ridiculous. And I don't have a protocol fee of 29 Ethereum. 29 Ethereum is like freaking $60,000-$70,000. I don't have that type of money. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the 3 that I have, and then I click approve burn of Xen. I have to come here, my MetaMask pops up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to reduce the fees. Okay, I put the fees on low and I click confirm. Now it's going to take a little bit while because I did the low amount of fees, and the lower amount of gas that you pay, the slower it goes. So let's wait for it to happen. Yeah, so I actually decided to do 30 Xen, to burn 30 Xen instead. And I went to a different address. So I'm going to burn 30 Xen. I have about 76 million Xen tokens in my wallet. So what I do first now is I click approve Xen. And it's going to cost, okay, so this is just the approval process. And then when I actually burn the Xen, it's going to cost a lot of money, like maybe about $200 you're going to see soon. Unfortunately, it does it through batches, and the batches are kind of expensive. It's telling you right now there's going to cost 0.1247 Ethereum. 0.1247, yeah, there you go. 0.1247 Ethereum is 222 Ethereum. Do I even have enough? Barely, god damn. So I barely have enough Ethereum. We're going to see if it actually even goes through. So let's go through and burn the Xen. And yeah, we do. We have enough. Okay. So let's go ahead and burn it. There you go. So let's look at it right now. The contract is done. Assets is it cost me $209 to do this entire thing. I have 1 million Xen left, and then let me refresh the page. Okay, so unfortunately, it doesn't tell you exactly how much DBXen I'm going to get. It doesn't say how much Xen I burned. It doesn't do all that, even though the process was approved. Okay, so in order to figure out how this works, you have to go to this website called Xen.pub. Okay, you go to Xen.pub. This is how Xen.pub looks when you first come. Xen.pub, come here, then go to the left side, Xen chain, scroll all the way down here, and then click the one that says DBXen parentheses ETH. Okay, then you scroll down here, and then you look for your wallet. So my wallet is actually on the second page. right here. And there you go. It shows that I burnt 75,000 Xen. I've done 30 DBXen batches, and I am 1.17% of the people, of the total amount of Xen that was burnt today. What I burned is 1.17%. So my estimated reward is going to be 117 DXen tokens. That's the estimation. All right. So this is really cool. I burned about $200 or so to do this whole transaction. So tomorrow I'm going to find out how much money I make, and maybe DBXen is going to increase in price. Maybe it's going to 10x in price, or maybe it's going to crash. I think it's going to increase in price, but we shall see. So I'm telling you this because I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's get this DBXen. Let's get this money.